Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset your password on Talkie Soulful AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your password on Talkie Soulful AI's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Talkie Soulful application. The home page of Talkie Soulful application will appear on the screen. Click on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the top right side of the screen. You will end up on the settings page of Talkie Soulful AI's account. Now all you need to do is tap on Logout. From the pop-up, click on Logout option. Now log into your account by tapping on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. Choose a Google account and tap on it. This means that there does not even exist a password for your account on Soulful AI, which means you'll never need to remember it. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.